Hello and welcome back to another question. This question said we should prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 all divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sine theta all over cos theta. Okay, you can decide to use anyone to prove that the other side since they are equal, right? So if this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side, when we pick anyone and prove the identity, they should end the same, right? So I want to work on the left hand side now. Now, start with our solution. Now, the left hand side is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 all divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now, let's look at the numerator. You discover that we have 1 there. And based on our trig identities, we have one of it that said sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. If you remember that one. Okay. So what it means is if I make 1 the subject of the formula, that means I'll be having sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, right? So if the whole of this represent 1, I can substitute it here. Okay, so let's answer the numerator. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 now becomes the whole of this. Sec square theta minus tan square theta all divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, right? Okay, so let's continue from this now. Here we can then have tan theta plus sec theta minus, but let's look at this. Now this is looking same as a square minus b square, right? And if you want to expand this, it means a square becomes a minus b into a plus b, right? So if this is represented as this, then we can have it as this, right? So if this is a and this is b, then we'll have sec square theta, right? Now the square will go, right? Are we good? Then minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, right? So all divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. Now looking at what is inside this bracket here, you can discover that we have tan theta plus sec theta here, and here we also have same thing. Or let's rearrange so that it will look equal. Tan theta plus sec theta minus, let's bring this tan theta first so that it will look like this outside value plus sec theta. You know addition is commutative, so we can put it, and multiplication is commutative as well. So we can put the negative aspect before the positive aspect, or the positive aspect before the negative aspect, and it still means same thing. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Alright, so now looking at this value here, you have same value here. That means we can factorize this. This is looking like, let's say if I call the whole of this, if I call it a, a, and then I have minus inside brackets I have the same a times b. That means I can factorize. So here a is common. That means I can have a into, if I divide it by a, I'll have 1, minus if I divide it by a, I'll have b, right? So let's apply this here now. So since this is a, it will be outside. So we'll have tan theta plus sec theta outside, right? Then these that are inside now will now be 1 minus our b is this, right? So it will give you sec theta minus tan theta. Then you close it, all over tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, right? Okay, if that is gotten, then let's expand this bracket. Here we're going to be having tan theta plus sec theta into 1, this minus times this minus, or let's start from here anyway, sine minus sec theta minus times minus will give you plus tan theta, right? All over tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. All right, so let's take care of this side now. Let's arrange this one to look normal, right? So here we have tan theta plus sec theta into 1. Let's bring the plus here, 1 plus tan theta, and take the minus there, minus sec theta, all over tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, right? Okay, so look at this value here and look at this value here. Are they not the same? Remember that addition is commutative, so we can write it this way as well. Tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta all over, let's write 1 first, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. That means these are equal, right? So if they are equal, they can cancel each other. So what am I left with? Tan theta plus sec theta. Now let's look at our question. Our question is saying 1 plus, it should be 1 plus sine theta all over cos theta, right? Okay. So now this sec theta, what is sec theta? This tan theta, what is tan theta? Tan theta is the same thing from our identity as sine theta all over cos theta plus, then sec theta in our identity is the same thing as 1 over cos theta, right? If that is correct, then let's take LCM here. LCM here is cos theta. So if we take LCM of cos theta, we'll have cos theta here. And then cos theta divided by cos theta is 1. 1 times this will give you sine theta. Cos theta divided by cos theta is 1. 1 times this will give you 1, right? So to make it look like this, we now rearrange. It will now, therefore, the right hand side will be equals to the left hand side, because the left hand side is equals to 1 plus sine theta all over cos theta. Yep, that brings us to the end of this proving. I'll see you in the next video where we solve other interesting questions. Congratulations for following from start to finish. I'll see you there. Bye.